Ito guys, ang Redmi Note 12. One of the favorite phones ng mga tao when it comes to budget na phone. That was before. But would the Redmi Note 12 be like before? Yung Redmi Note 10 na sulit siya para sa inyong pera. Tara alamin natin in this video. So hi guys, ako si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So the Redmi Note 12 comes in 3 colors. Meron siyang frosted green, matte black, and mystic blue. And ang 4 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage would come with a price point of 8,999. So, unbox muna natin. So guys, nandito na ang Redmi Note 12 na i-unbox natin right now. So, this is how it looks like dito sa side. So, ang hawak natin right now is 8 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage na color ice blue. Buksan natin. SIM ejector tool. First time, meron nakahiwalay na plastic for the user guides and other documents. Ang kanyang jelly case and the Note 12 itself. Some quick specs. Buksan natin. Ganun ang kanyang ice blue. And sa likod ng kanyang triple camera setup na double barrel design. Sa ilalim, simple lang, loudspeaker, Type-C port, and of course ang kanyang microphone in. Sa side, ang kanyang volume rocker, fingerprint scanner, plus power button. Sa ibabaw, ang kanyang IR blaster, andyan ang kanyang noise cancelling. Sa ibabaw, IR blaster, noise cancelling mic, and of course ang kanyang audio jack. Sa kabilang side, the SIM tray. Sundutin natin. It's a triple card slot na dalawang 4G SIM plus isang micro SD expansion. And sa harap ang kanyang punch hole na selfie camera. Other stuff inside, 33 watts na charging brick, and ang kanyang Type-C cable. Kita na natin, this is the Redmi Note 12. And ang design niya is not really that bad. Medyo maganda naman siya and very decent para sa kanyang price point. Ang side niya is very flat, just like an iPhone. And ang kanyang camera module is double barrel, so medyo in naman ang kanyang design. And what I like din dito sa likod niya is hindi siya glossy, so definitely wala siyang fingerprint smudges. Ang color na hawak natin right now is the ice blue color. So one of the advantage ng Redmi Note 12 is nandiyan pa rin kanyang audio jack, so definitely okay to. And this is a bonus para sa mga people na mahilig pa rin sa wired na headphones para sa kanyang music tripping. So kita natin, this is the home screen ng phone na ito. And this is being powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 1. So yeah, this is probably one of the first na nag-adapt doon sa chipset na yon. And gusto natin masilip ang kanyang benchmarking dito sa Antutu Benchmark. So itong score na kuha natin dito sa Antutu Benchmark para sa Redmi Note 12, 300,000 points. And this is the breakdown score. Medyo nagtataka lang bakit 0 ang kanyang GPU dahil sa kanyang light version na ginamit. Ito ang score na nakuha na dito sa Geekbench. And sinilip naman natin sa DRM info, nakakuha naman sa ng level 1 is 50 level. Ito, phone na ito is very simple lang naman siya. It has a 6.67-inch na Amoled display. Considering its price point na may Amoled display, for me, it's pretty nice. And it also has 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. Ang kanyang maximum brightness is hindi mababa, 1,200 nits. Pretty bright. Under the bright sunlight, kaya mong mabasa tong everything na dito sa inyong phone. Probably one of the downside na hindi ko masyado gusto dito is medyo makapal ang kanyang baba. But on the upside, punch hole na siya, hindi na teardrop notch. And this phone is being protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 na protection up front, plastic sides, and plastic back. So watching videos dito sa phone na ito, okay naman siya dahil AMOLED naman ka na-display. So expect naman punchy colors dito sa mga pinapanood nyo. And the black is blacker. Kahit manood ka ng mga dark scenes dito, like mga Batman vs Superman, okay na okay pa rin siya. So this phone only has isang loudspeaker dito sa ilalim. So wala siyang loudspeaker dito sa ibabaw. So yung sounds na dito is just normal. Hindi siya ganun kalakasan. So I suggest na nagamitin nyo yung headphones or Bluetooth at TWS para makompensate ang sounds dito sa phone na ito. So if you're browsing on social media dito sa phone na ito, okay naman siya. Smooth na smooth. Dahil sa kanyang 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. Wala naman napapansin na napipigil siya dahil mabilis naman mag-load ng kanyang processor. Except siguro mabibitin ka pag medyo mabagal lang yung internet. But based sa aking experience, okay naman siya. So if you're browsing naman dito sa Facebook, okay din naman. Smooth din naman ang phone na ito. Wala ka mapapansin na lag din dito sa kanya. Now, itong phone na ito has a 5,000 mAh of battery and this one supports 33 watts na fast charging ni Xiaomi. And sabi ni Xiaomi, this one can charge 50% in 22 minutes. So, tinry ko naman siya gamitin. And so, tinry ko naman i-charge tong phone na ito from 10 to 100. It took me roughly mga 1 hour and 25 minutes to complete the full charging cycle. So, ginamit ko naman tong phone na ito as my daily driver. And if you ask me kung kaya naman na magtagal ng one whole day, well, kaya naman na magtagal that much. And starting the day at around mga 8 o'clock and ending the day at around mga 7 o'clock, ito ang battery life na matitira sa akin on average usage. Now, pagdating naman sa gaming, don't expect too much from this phone. This phone can only handle the mga games like ML, CODM, PUBG. Okay naman sa kanya, wala naman masyado problema. But you'll feel some frame drops along the way kasi nilalaro ko tong CODM and nafe-feel ko na medyo naglalag din siya. So, probably ihambing mo to sa mga Snapdragon na 4 series dati na gano'n din halos ang performance hindi masyado nagkakalayo. So, expecting gaming experience mo dito might suffer a bit if you set it to the highest setting na kaya nito phone nito. I would suggest na i-lower down mo yung sa settings para medyo mas smoother kunti ang iyong gameplay dito sa phone nito. But if you're trying to play Genshin Impact dito, I suggest huwag mo nang subukan. Pag-usapan naman natin ang kanyang camera dito sa phone nito. Well, itong phone nito has a triple camera setup dito sa likod. It has a 48MP na main camera sensor and an 8MP na ultra-wide lens, 2MP na macro lens, and this one can shoot only up to 1080p and 30 FPS. And ang kanyang front-facing camera is a punch hole na 13MP. Also can shoot up to 1080p and 30. And to my surprise, ito phone na ito was able to take some really nice and decent shot, be it sa indoor and sa outdoor. I was able to take some really nice shot dito sa phone na ito. To be honest with you, na-amaze ako sa kanyang price point, was able to take some of this nice shot. But on some dark scenes like this one, medyo madilim siya. Hindi na kaya i-brighten up ang kanyang scene. Unlike mga ibang phones sa mid-tier, this one, well, medyo hirap siya sa low light condition. If you bring this one outdoors, ang dami ko shots naman nakuha na maganda. But there are times na medyo namumuti din siya sa sobrang silaw ng araw. So this one is the ultra-wide na shot. This one is a normal shot. And this one is a 2x zoom shot. So mapapansin mo ang kanyang color reproduction from the ultra-wide lens and the main sensor, medyo magkaibang kulay. Taking some of these shots sa indoor, well, honestly, maganda naman. I was impressed. Ang kanyang front-facing camera is also impressive din. Ang dami ko rin shots na nakuha dito na maganda. Honestly, hindi ko na-expect ganito kagandang quality sa kanyang front-facing camera. Now, ginamit naman natin ang kanyang front-facing camera to vlog. Tira natin some samples. Hey guys, so this is the Redmi Note 12. So right now, I'm shooting at 1080p and 30 FPS and using just my bare hand. So this is the resolution you'll be getting if you're vlogging using the front-facing camera. And, well, I can say the resolution is not really that nice. But yeah, I can say that it's still usable for vlogs and taking some TikTok videos, still okay. But of course, don't expect too much from this front-facing camera. So guys, nakita nyo na yung sample, no? Sobra siya shaky, so medyo nakakahilo using this phone for vlogging. I would suggest na, well, use a gimbal para medyo mas stabilize. Tingnan naman natin ang video capability na using the rear camera. So, kita natin guys, shooting at 1080p and 30 FPS. Okay naman siya. Decent naman ka ng video and hindi naman siya masyado shaky. But there are times na mapapansin ko medyo namumuti siya dahil siguro nahihirapan siya mag-calibrate ng kanang color. But overall, it's okay sa kanang price point. So guys, anong verdict ko dito sa Redmi Note 12? So, given that it's 8,999 and it's a 4 gigs of RAM and 130 gigs of storage, for me, I would suggest that you go for either 6 or 8 gigs of RAM kasi medyo bitin nga talaga for present-day usage. Now, if you're somebody who likes camera, I would say na okay ang kanyang photo taking na capability dito. Ang video na is just average, don't expect too much, but if you're gusto nyong gamitin yung rear camera to vlog, okay naman siya. But if you're using the front-facing camera, well, gumamit kayo ng tripod or ang gimbal would help. Ito phone na ito, I wouldn't really suggest for gaming. This phone is good for everyday usage, for social media browsing, okay na okay siya, and for taking photos. So guys, if you like to know kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong phone na ito, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. Just check it out. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo na yung bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads dito sa akin channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.